letting me be here and having such a great time. And especially grade 11, it was wonderful to talk with you about everything. And that you were all so eager to talk and to do and to join in all those crazy games. You put all your shame aside and started talking. It was really nice. It was nice to see you opening. Do I also say now for the new students? Or are they going to do something and I have to come again?
Yeah.
Also for the new students? New students, you all are amazing. And you can all talk English. Don't be shy. Open your mouth and it will be fine. Sing along with those ahs and diga diga. And you will be cool and you're all going to be great tour guides and fluently English one day.
Yes.
And enjoy the pancakes.
Vâng ạ. Mời chị ạ. Can you say grade 11 have something for you?
I know. Are you gonna cry? You're gonna cry. Wow! Did you say this? Yes, Mother. Thank you all. Oh, wait. That's a lot of laughing. So you have to come back. I will. And they all know my favorite color is blue and yellow.